Hello students, welcome to BrightMind English. Today we will learn the difference between onto and into. Two small words that completely change the meaning of a sentence. Onto, movement to a surface. Into, movement inside a space or a container. The difference between onto and into is very easy. You just need to ask yourself one question. Am I moving to a surface or am I moving to a space? Onto the surface rule. Think of onto as touching the top of something flat or open. The most important word is surface. A surface is flat like a table, a piece of paper, or the ground. You can't go inside a surface. You can only stand on it. Onto means you are moving and then landing or placing something on top of that surface. Easy memory trick. Look for things that are open or flat. Example, the cat jumped onto the roof. Here, a roof is a flat surface. The cat is now on top. Into the space rule. Think of into as entering an enclosed area. The most important word is space. A space is something that has boundaries or walls, like a box, a room, a container, or a swimming pool. You can easily go inside a space. Into means you are moving from the outside and crossing boundaries to end up inside that area. Look at these examples. Here, the cat jumped onto the table or into the table. Onto the table. Why onto? Because the cat moves to the top surface of the table when something lands on a surface. She poured the milk, blank the glass, into or onto? Into. Why? Because milk goes from outside to the inside of the glass. Rules outside to inside, use into. So answer is she poured the milk into the glass. He climbed blank the roof to fix and the antenna. Here answer is onto because he moves onto the surface of the roof. A surface onto. The frog jumped blank the pond. The keyword is the pond. The frog goes inside the water, entering a space, so into. The frog jumped into the pond. Next, the teacher wrote the notes blank the board. Answer is onto. Why onto? Writing happens on the surface of the board. So, as it is surface contact, onto. The teacher wrote the notes onto the board. She walked blank the room quietly. Into or onto. She moves from outside the room to the inside as she entering into a place. So into. He loaded the boxes blank the truck. The boxes are placed inside the truck, inside a container or vehicles. Into. So answer is he loaded the boxes into the truck. Next, the boy threw the ball blank the roof. Explanation. The ball lands on the top of the surface of the roof. We know the rules, surface equal to onto. So answer is onto. The boy threw the ball onto the roof. Next, the bird flew blank the nest. The bird goes inside the nest. Entering equal to into. So the bird flew into the nest. Next, she pushed the clothes, blank the suitcase. Clothes go inside a container, inside equal to into. So answer is she pushed the clothes into the suitcase. Remember, onto a surface, into equal to inside. Keep practicing, keep learning. Follow for more Bright Mind English. Happy